we will learn through in practical way. So here I have taken a small topology where three routers you can see, and I have given these routers name as router green, router gray, and router silver, and two PCs connected. So both PCs name as PC black and PC blue, and one server is connected. That is not required in this topology because we are learning only static routing protocol, but still I have connected a few end devices like server and PC and one switch also. Static routing protocol, firstly we have to know about how to configure IP address in the Cisco packet tracer for each device. So this is these are the PC, and on the PC I have configured already IP address, and you can check how I configured. Go to the PC and desktop tab and IP configuration. Here I have configured IP address 192.168.5.10, and this is the subnet mask of the IP address and the default gateway of the IP address and the DNS server, that is the IP address. So I have given already IP address for each device for understanding purpose, so that it is easily to understand what IP should be configured on which device and on which interface. So already given in the IP and the pictorial diagram. In this PC you can check the IP address already configured, and in the server also you can check it is configured. Go to the desktop mode and IP configuration. So this is the configuration of IP address and subnet mask. Okay, but I have not configured any IP address on these device, and you can check all interfaces of these device are shut down, so there is no configuration. So we have to do from beginning. So let's go and start. So go to on the router green, click on the router, and then go to let me put it in in the light left line, so that you can easily understand on which interface and which IP should be configured. So config terminal interface. So I am going to configure IP address on gig 0/0, gig 0/0 IP address. IP address should be for this 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.1, and subnet mask is 255.255.255 for all. Okay, and enter the command no shutdown for bringing the interface up. So you can see. Stay tuned. you can see you cannot ping this PC device, PC IP address, because uh, it is not a point-to-point device, and you need a routing protocol to ping it successful. T and IP route. Okay, IP route and route for the destination route. So destination route is this uh, destination network. So 192.168.5.0, this is the destination, because this can be pinged in this area. Every device can be pinged to each other, because these are the point-to-point device and they can ping to. But these devices cannot able to ping these this PC, this server IP, and this router cannot ping this PC. Because these are end device and not point-to-point device, so we have to configure routing, static routing for these device. So this is the network address of this PC and server, and subnet mask for this network, and it's required routing forwarding port. Routing forwarding port for this is either you can give gig 0/2, or you can give gig 0/1. But if you give 0/1, still you cannot ping, because this is the fourth hop for this. So you have to configure this also, but we need only one hop of 10 from here. So we have to give this router port number gig 0/2. Okay, that's it. And same configuration we have to do on this router also for this PC. Okay, config terminal IP route and network for destination device 192.168.1.0 and 1.0. You can see this is the network 1.0, and subnet mask is the same for whole topology. And forwarding port either you can give gig 0/2 or gig 0/1, but for the same concept is here also. So if you give 0/1, so it will take a 2 hop to reach this device, but we are going to configure only one hop, so it's required only this gig 0/2. Okay, that's it. Let's see if you are able to ping or not. Ping 192.168.1.10. Oh, so one packet is unsuccessful and rest are successful because of the first, when you try to ping first time, so it takes to learn ARP address from the destination, and it is successful now. The black, it is pinging ping DNS server, it is pinging ping router silver, it is pinging ping router gray. If you have any query question related to this topic, you can ping or you can comment on the comment section below. And I think you are confused for this, how I able to ping with the name instead of IP address. So it is because of the DNS server, and I have configured DNS services in this server, and DNS server I have given all the name and with the IP address after that. So when we ping any device with the name, host name, so it takes the IP address from this. And if you want to know in detail for this, how to configure, how to give the name and IP address in this server, and DNS server needs to configure how to configure on each device, so you can refer my another video in the channel, and link is given in the description below. So thank you for watching this video and hope you